In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal smart buttons to your Shopify store. Streamlining the payment process can tremendously enhance your customers' shopping experience and ultimately elevate your business's success. Now, adding PayPal smart buttons to your Shopify store is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it. So let's dive right in. To get started, we need to make a small adjustment to your store's theme. Navigate to your Shopify admin panel, find your online store section, and then go to Themes. Here, you'll want to make sure you're in the customizer for your active theme. Once you're in the right place, you're looking for an area in your theme where PayPal buttons will be most effective. This could be in your product templates or even in the footer, depending on where you want them displayed. Access these areas by going to Templates or the footer in the customizer. Look for the option to add a new section, and when prompted, go ahead and choose the Custom Liquid section. This is where the magic happens. Next, we need to ensure you have the correct link to integrate PayPal smart buttons seamlessly. For this, head to a trusted widget library site like Elfsight and search for their PayPal integration link. Elfsight is quite popular for store integrations, and their PayPal widget is a reliable resource. Once you're on the site, find the link for PayPal smart buttons. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with any information they provide to help integrate these buttons smoothly. Once you've located the link, copy it. This is the key component we need to input into your Shopify store. Now it's time to paste that link into your Shopify Custom Liquid section. Return to the Shopify Customizer, and in the Custom Liquid section you previously added, paste the PayPal link you've copied. This embeds the PayPal smart buttons directly into your chosen area of the store. Double-check to make sure everything is pasted correctly. Mistakes can sometimes happen with copying and pasting, so ensuring that the code is intact is an essential step. Finally, you'll want to save your changes. This ensures all updates are locked into your store and will be visible to your customers. Hit the Save button at the top of the Customizer panel, and voila! Your PayPal smart buttons are ready to go live on your Shopify store. With these steps completed, your Shopify store is now equipped with PayPal smart buttons, providing a seamless and secure way for customers to complete their transactions. Congratulations on enhancing your store's functionality. By following this guide, you're making checkout processes as smooth and efficient as possible, helping your business and customers alike. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful Shopify tips.